Laughter is the best medicine, and nobody knows that better than Stevie Ray.
Yeah, he's been teaching improv right here in Minnesota for more than 30 years, and now he brings the classes to local social service organizations. Photojournalist Tony Peterson met up with Stevie at one of those groups, seniors, as he taught his Skills for Life project.
I'm Stevie Ray. I run Stevie Ray's improv company. Improv is a group of performers that take ideas from the audience and then create instant comedy sketches and scenes.
How do you throw a football with this arm?
The Skills for Life project. The exercises we do are meant to build those capacities in the brain. And we play games that are very specifically designed for that. And keeping the brain sharp is obviously something an older adult would be concerned about. If you would stand up, improv forces connection. You have to talk to each other. The words you use are coming from your own creative mind. A lot of them are sharper than I could ever hope to be.
You're shining up your car.
That's right. They give you a run for your money. Wet diapers. Improv has rules that we follow. And one of the rules is a classic in improv called Yes and. It was born in the late 1950s when improv was really being developed. The older you get, the more organized your brain becomes. But the games are very specifically designed to build improvisational thinking skills for regular life.
It's just kind of a spontaneous reaction to a given situation, I think.
These games can be a little difficult for some older adults if they haven't done this kind of thing in a while. But it wakes up a part of the brain that's been dormant for a while. Everything works to make humor.
IHOP.
Yes, but one of the reasons I love doing classes with older folks is improv relies on life experience. You're bringing your real life to it.
I have never done anything like this, and he's amazing.
You leave feeling on top of the world.
I enjoyed the class. I was nervous before I came down, and it was just a highlight of my day.
Isn't that the truth, right? You'd be nervous to go to that class if it's not your forte. And
But that's shared with everybody too.
Yeah, and you find your sense of humor.
That's funny. Well, for information on classes, shows, or how to bring the program to you, just go to stevierays.org. Yeah, good luck with those folks on their imagination opening up. That's a lot of fun.
Great idea.